Why would anyone buy an airsoft gun when you can get a real one for the same price? It's a common question, and honestly, it makes sense. You look at a $500 airsoft rifle and think, why not just get a real gun? But here's the part people miss. You're not buying it to be lethal. You're buying it to train combat tactics and learn how to react under pressure without the risk of getting chipped if you mess up. And if you think it's just a game, remember this. Even military and police units use airsoft for training. So yeah, it might cost the same, but in airsoft, you get to respawn when you get shot.